Alright, so let's connect the project with a database, and to do that we of course need to have a dataset. And I'm gonna drop it in the customers form. We could add it to all the other forms, but that's not really necessary. We can just have it in one form and then use it all as an object throughout the application. So I'm gonna drop it straight into the grid view for the customers. I'll select the grid view, go to the little triangle here, and choose data source. And I'm going to add project data source. I'm going to add the database, click next. We want the dataset, click next. And from the drop down, I'm going to select my database, which I named Repair Shop DB. I'll select that and click next. We can save the connection string, that's okay. And here are the tables. We have the appointments, customers, and repair types. And I want all three of them. So I'll select all three. And instead of calling the dataset Repair Shop DB dataset, I'm going to call it Repair Services dataset. So that's the name for my dataset, and I'll finish. And now I'm going to choose the data source for the grid view. Since we only want one table there, I'll go to the other data sources that we just added, which is the Repair Services dataset. And this one is for the customers, so I'll select Customers table. And I do not want to enable editing, adding, or deleting directly from the grid view. What we want to do is to select the row and then click the delete button, not deleting it with the delete button on the keyboard. So I just added, down here you can see my Repair Services dataset, as well as the binding source and Customers table adapter. And next, we can start creating all the SQL statements, as well as all the necessary table adapters.